Let's see the next point. Now before this we have seen how to convert an improper fraction into mixed number. Now exactly opposite you have to do. Now you have to see the conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. Now mixed number we have to convert it into improper fraction. So for that let us see first example, that is 3 and 2 upon 5. 3 and 2 upon 5, it is a mixed number. You have to convert this into an improper fraction. So here students, in textbook one method is given to you. I am not going to follow that, but just simple in same way, but how to remember you I will tell. So you have to follow this method, or in workbook also it is given. See now, as I told you, this 3 is called the integral part, this 2 upon 5 is the proper fraction. Then now how to convert it into improper fraction? So students, you have to remember, first you will take this denominator. What is that denominator? See, I will write here first numerator, this is the denominator, and this is the integral part, this is the integral part. Okay, so or you have to write okay, then first you will write the denominator, that is denominator is 5. Then you have to multiply with this integral number, which is that 3. Then in that you have to add this numerator, that is 2. Okay, and then upon denominator you will write again as it is. See what I have done? I have written this mixed number in this way. First denominator, this numerator upon denominator, this proper fraction. Okay, in this proper fraction this is the numerator, this is the denominator. So first denominator multiplied by integral number, this is integral number 3, plus you have to add in this plus 2. This all things will be in the numerator part. Upon this denominator, whatever denominator will be there, as it is you have to write again, and then solve it. So what is the answer? 5 3s are 15 plus 2, suppose as it is, upon 5, and then 15 plus 2 17 upon 5. So this is your answer. This answer came in what? Improper fraction. So mixed number into improper fraction. Again, improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. So this mixed number we have converted into improper fraction. Okay. So this example, this method is very simple for you. Okay. Again, you will see in workbook or textbook one more example, one more method is there, that I will prefer this method. For that I will prefer this method only. This is the easiest method for you. So you can solve this like this example in exam also this way only. Then next example, one more example we will see. What is that? Convert into improper fraction, means mixed numbers are given to you, you have to convert it into mixed fractions. Okay. So first example, 7 and 2 upon 5. 7 and 2 upon 5. So how to convert this again into into improper fraction? What we are going to see? What we are going to see? This mixed number, how to conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. So this, when the mixed number will be given to you in exam, this mixed number is given to you, you have to convert this into improper fraction. So what steps I told? First take the denominator, which is the denominator here 5, multiply with this integral number, that is 7, add numerator, that is plus 2, and upon denominator as it is. Go through the steps, students, then solve it. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 as it is, plus 2 upon 5 as it is. Then 35 plus 2 37 upon 5. This is your answer. So 7 and 2 upon 5, how to convert it? It into the improper fraction. take the denominator, multiply by integral part plus numerator upon denominator as it is and solve it. Okay. Next example is example number 2. Let's see. 5 and 1 upon 6. So see again what to do, denominator multiplied by integral part plus numerator upon denominator as it is. Then solve this. 6 5s are plus 6 5s are 30 plus 1 upon 6. Then 30 plus 1 31, yes, upon 6. Okay. Next is the third example. Suppose 4 and 3 upon 4. 4 and 3 upon 4. What is the next step? Denominator multiplied by integral number plus numerator upon denominator as it is. See again. Now here 2 times 4 are there. So this is the denominator into integral number, that is integral part, plus here first see, don't forget here first multiplication sign is there for these two, this cross you have to remember, cross, and then while going here you have to add this number plus 3 upon 4. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 upon 4. 16 plus 3 19 upon 4 is the answer. Okay. So first 3 examples, practice set 9, question 1. I have solved first 3 examples. Only 4th and 5th remain, that you have to solve. Means all examples you have to solve. 3 examples you can see here, and then next remaining 2, that is 4th and 5th, you have to try it. It's very simple. Okay. So you have to complete this. Practice set 9, question number 1 and question number 2. First we had solved question number 2, no problem. You can solve first practice set 9 question number 2, because first conversion we had seen of conversion of improper fraction into mixed number. Depend on that second question is there. And then I have taught you about this conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. So for that depend on this question 1 is there. So you have to solve both the questions, practice set 9, question 1 and question 2 in your notebook.